Hello and welcome. To solve the logarithmic equation on the board, let us start by simplifying the first term. What we are going to do is that we will change the base of this logarithm from base 5x to base 5 to match the second term. Now, when we apply the change of base formula for logarithms to this first term, this term becomes log to base 5. 5 is the new base of 5 times x to power minus 1 divided by log to base 5 of the old base, which is 5x. But of course, you know that you can write this numerator as log to base 5 of 5 plus log to base 5 of x to power minus 1. According to the law, log A times B is equal to log A plus log B. And in the same way, we can also write the denominator as log to base 5 of 5 plus log to base 5 of x. Now, further simplifying this, remember that log to base 5 of 5 is 1, so this is 1. Now, let us apply the power rule of logarithms to this term. We are going to bring down minus 1, that is the exponent of x, to the front of the log term to become a multiplier. When we do that, this now becomes minus log to base 5 of x. And in the denominator, we have 1 plus log to base 5 of x. So now we have this equation as 1 minus log to base 5 of x divided by 1 plus log to base 5 of x plus log to base 5 of x squared is equal to 1. Of course, you know that this is exactly equal to this. Now, let log to base 5 of x be equal to the letter d. Then this equation becomes 1 minus d divided by 1 plus d squared is equal to 1. To get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through this equation by the denominator, which is 1 plus d. Now, this fraction multiplied by 1 plus d, of course, this is going to cancel this, and we have 1 minus d. Then plus d squared times 1 is d squared plus d squared times d is d cubed. And this is equal to 1 times 1 plus d is 1 plus d. Now let us move these two terms over to the left-hand side. We have d cubed plus d squared minus d plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We have d cubed plus d squared minus d is minus 2d plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. Now, when you look at these three terms, you're going to see a common factor, which is d. So we have d into d cubed divided by d is d squared. D squared divided by d is d, and minus 2d divided by d is minus 2. Of course, this is equal to 0. Now, you know that this simply means that either d is equal to 0 or d squared plus d minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is 1, all we have to do is to find the factors of minus 2 that add up to plus 1. And those are going to be 2 and minus 1, because 2 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 2, while 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1. So when we factorize the left-hand side of this quadratic equation, we have d plus 2 multiplied by d minus 1 is equal to 0. And of course, once more, you know that this simply means that either d plus 2 is equal to 0 or d minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we have that d is equal to minus 2. From here, we have that d is equal to 0. And from here, we have that d is equal to 1. And of course, you know that this simply means that either log to base 5 of x is equal to minus 2 or log to base 5 of x is equal to 0 or log to base 5 of x is equal to 1. Now, in this case, we have that 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 5 to the power minus 2. In the same way, in this case, we have that 5 to the power 0 is equal to x. So x is 5 to the power 0. And in the last case, 5 to the power 1 is equal to x. This is 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25. This is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. And this is equal to 5. So the three values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation are 1 over 25, 1, and 5. Now, to check our answer, let us substitute these values of x and log to base 5 of x into the left-hand side of the original equation. Here we have log to base 5 times 5 to the power minus 2 of 5 times 5 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1 plus log to base 5 of x is minus 2. And of course, this is squared. Now, remember that when we multiply two numbers with the same base, we simply add their exponents. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is log to base 5 to power minus 1 of 5 to power. To get rid of this bracket, we multiply these two powers. Minus 2 minus 1 is 2. So here we have 5 squared plus minus 2 squared is 4. Once more, to multiply these two powers, we add the exponents. So here we have log to base 5 to the power minus 1 of 5 cubed. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is plus 4. But we can write this as log to base 5 to the power minus 1 of 5 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 3. Because minus 1 times minus 3 is going to give us 3. We still have 4. Now, when you look at this, remember that log to base a of a to power b is equal to b. So log to base 5 to the power minus 1 of 5 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 3 is simply equal to minus 3. So this is minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 1, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side of the original equation. Now, when x is equal to 1, this left-hand side becomes log to base 5 of 5 plus 0 squared. Log to base 5 of 5 is 1 plus 0. Of course, this is equal to 1. And in the final case, when x is equal to 5, this equation becomes log to base 5 times 5, which is 25, of 5 to the power 5 to the power minus 1 plus 1 squared. Now here, once more, we add the exponents. So this is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So this is 5 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So here we have log to base 25 of 1 plus 1. But of course, you know that log to any base of 1 is equal to 0. So this is 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching. And you can see more tutorials here.